Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 Featured Trade Idea, the setup and trade plan for Monday, August 20th, 2018. Today's featured trade idea will be IRDM, IRDM. As you can see, it's been in a very nice trend, strong trend since sometime in mid-May. I don't know which of these pink lines best defines the trend as of now, so I'm kind of splitting the difference on them and my targets. But over the last 20 days or so, it did a very strong run, including a bullish engulfing up here, and then did a little profit taking, just a nice shallow 23% pullback, and now it's trying to work on that J hook. So it's still in a pullback opportunity, looking for the breakout to give us that J hook, and then for follow through into targets up here defined by fibs. If we go out to a weekly chart or even an 8-day chart, we see that we're at all-time highs. So that's going to be our setup. We'll run up here. We had a pullback and we're looking for follow through here. So a breakout buy with a stop just down below. The fibs, or I'm sorry, the V stop would say we would have a little bit looser, stop. So you might want to consider that. I personally don't want to be owning it if it falls back down through the bottom of Friday's candle and Thursday's candle and Wednesday's candle. So that's how I will set up my trade plan. Let's see if we can't set that up. Iridium, I'm almost positive it reported July 31st. So I believe earnings are out of the way here. You might want to check that yourself, but I'm almost positive. We have 5 bullish conditions, including the markets and the symbol bias as well, except for this short-term pullback, giving us a short-term downtrend. We've got a nice pattern. We've got only one bearish, and that's that short-term downtrend. Let's plan this out as 1 entry and 2 exits. So we're looking for an entry up here about 2053. We have the stop down here about 1980. Our first target up here at 2195. And a second target here at, what is that? Yeah, 2284, whatever. It'll help if I type without making mistakes. Trader Vision says we can do 205 shares. Let's just look at 200. See what that does with us. That's almost 4%, so that's just about right. If we were to sell 100 shares at that first target, we're not quite getting our 2 to 1. So we have 2 choices here. We can either accept that we need to break above this. In fact, we need to get to 22.28, so almost to that second target. Well, midway between the first and second target. So right in this area, to achieve our trade goal. Or we have to say we can realistically reduce our entry or raise our stop. I'm not comfortable raising the stop very much. Let's see if I can't pull this down just a touch. Let's draw a line across these tops here. Okay, let's call that 2040 as an entry. And that's probably, yeah, that's going to get us to our 2-to-1. In fact, let's just make it 2045 just to give us a little bit of more slack. A little more confirmation on that entry. So that we'll have that one high that would be above us, and I'll be willing to accept that. That gives us 2.3-to-1 at that first target. If we had to sell the whole position at that first target, we'd make $300. If we can hang on to it and make that second target with the other half, we pick up 11.5% at that second half, giving us a 9.5% trade overall. $389, of course, making our trade goal. So that will be the trade plan for Monday. Please evaluate this against your view of the market, your view of this particular ticker, as well as your trading style, rules, and criteria. If you do decide to take it, I wish you the best of luck, and I wish you the best of luck regardless in the market on Monday. And with that said, I guess I hope to see you in the trading room.